Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Sorry, I'm just making sure my background looks okay and it focuses on me and doesn't focus on the tree. Hopefully it's okay. This is a trial run. Anywho, we are going to be finally testing the Cosmic Trip collection from Revolution. I only bought 2 items from this collection. I bought the primer because from Lucy's video I was very intrigued by this primer, and then I also bought the palette because I'm sorry, but not only does the packaging look gorgeous, but the shades on the inside are absolutely stunning. I just love the array of pinks that we've got over here as well. Like, I love berry tones, they're just my thing. And then we've got some oranges as well, so you can make like a nice orange warm tone look with it. And there's little mushroom imprints in there. Like, how gorgeous is that? So I'm very excited to play with this. And then the primer, it's called the Space Face Mushroom Calming Primer. I love anything mushroom. I can eat mushrooms raw. If you've watched some of my vlogs from before, you will see that I absolutely love eating mushrooms. So thought we might as well get this. I didn't need another primer, but why not? Let's get into swatches. We have the swatches here. They are stunning. We've got like the first, the second, half of the other second row, and then the last row. I am absolutely in love with all of these shades. I also love that we've got a pressed glitter down here. So yeah, they are stunning. Cannot go wrong with these shades. There's blues, there's oranges, there's pinks, there's dark brown, gold. Like, this is gorgeous. So I need to put some primer on because we need to get into this. I actually don't know if I want to go for oranges, if I want to go for burgundies, if I want to keep it neutral. I don't know. Wow, it looks so weird when I put, well, the viewfinder looks weird, but then my laptop looks better. So we're going to take the shade Angel and put that shade in the outer corners. I did put Beauty Bay's Eye Base on in the shade 3. Love that stuff. Very dusty in the palette. And of course, my eyelids have already creased. This is a Peaches and Cream PC23. So good for eye base. That shade went on perfectly. At first I was like, oh, it's not going on pigmented enough, but it actually does. It's really nice. Now I feel like I'm gonna have to just keep with the pinks, and I'm gonna go with the shade here, which is called Gamer, and we're just gonna add that around to help blend it out. A lot of my brushes need washing, so yeah, we're just going to use what we have. So now I'm using a Nancy blending brush. The last one was a PC37 from Peaches and Cream. I haven't got many brushes because they need washing, and I've run out of spot cleaner, so yeah, I just hate washing them. Loving how it's going so far. Ooh, I don't know what shade to go in with next. I don't know if I go in with a neutral to blend it out, or if I go in with the other pink, but the other pink is quite bright. I'm going to try neutral. If I don't like it, I'll go over with that Infinite shade. So let's try this shade called Solar. Yeah, I like that Solar shade, so I'm going to keep with it and do it on the other eye. Just need to go and blend these all off camera, which means I'm just going to basically add, blend, add, blend, add, blend. It's a very tedious process. And then we can do a lid shade, which think I know what shade I'm going for. There's two possibilities. There is a bloody aeroplane going, or helicopter going by, so we are going to go in with the shade. I'm stuck between Hypnotic and Sonic. I don't know which one to go for. Let's see, I'm going to swatch them on my hand, and the one that sticks out to me is the one I'm going to go for. Right, Hypnotic is the bronze shade, Sonic is the silvery shade. I'm going for Hypnotic. That is the one I want. Oh, that is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Goes with this look really well. I'm just using an XX brush that I got in a gift set one year. Doesn't even have a name, but it was from that, like, I don't know, like there was a big set they had one year. That is really nice. Then I'm just going to go back in with Angel and deepen this up here. And blend, blend, blend. Possibly add a bit more of that Gamer Pink shade as well. Alright, I am very, very happy with this look. Now it's time to use the primer. So I want to give it a good whiff. I want to smell this and see if there's a mushroom scent. I wouldn't say mushroom. I would say there's a very synthetic smell that doesn't, I don't know, correspond with mushrooms. So yeah, it's a very clear fluid as well. Just show you. It's like it's got a green tinge, or like a silvery tinge, and then a pump. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit here. It is on. My face is a bit more red. It's a lot more tackier. So I'm just going to put like my foundation, everything on off camera, and then I'll tell you how it goes. Rest of my makeup is on. Oh my god, now that I have my lipsticks next to me instead of in my big packs unit, I actually put something on I haven't worn in a long time. So I used obviously my Obsession MUA lip liner, but I used the Rockstar lipstick in Velvet, and ain't that a stunning autumnal pink shade. I love it, and I love the magnetic. Anywho, now that my makeup is on, we can talk about the primer. It worked magnificently. Like, it just did the job. It didn't do anything. It didn't make my nose come like really dry and flaky. My foundation went on very smoothly, so it did the job. I actually highly recommend it. The smell was overpowering when you put it on your face, but then it goes, and if you don't mind that, then I recommend this one. Next we need to do is an inner corner and brow bone highlight, which I usually forget to do in these videos. I think we should go for like a silvery one, so we should go for Sonic, and the only reason I think that is because this is a very cool tone look, and as much as I want to go for a gold inner corner, it's not really going to go with this look. Look complete, time for mascara, and then we can talk about this collection. Look is complete. Should we take some of these clips out now? Shake the hair about. Let's talk about the palette. Absolutely love the palette. Oh my god, this palette is to die for. I wasn't too sure when I saw the color scheme, but you know what, it all makes sense. So you can actually get so many different looks out of this palette, which I'm really happy for. The mattes blended beautifully, like absolutely beautifully. I loved it. And then the shimmers, look at that shimmer on my lid. That shimmer barely needed any help to work. Like, I just plucked it on the brush, put it on my hat, on my lid, and we were good to go. Everything just melted together nicely, so I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with how many mattes are in there compared to shimmers. Revolution have really upped their game. This collection, I know I'm a bit late, but I love this collection. That is the finished look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.